Let's explore how infographics can not only be visually appealing and informative, but also serve as valuable tools for generating organic growth for your website. Infographics possess unique qualities that make them highly shareable and linkable by other websites. Infographics are captivating by nature, helping to capture the attention of viewers and compel them to share it with others. As a result, your infographic is more likely to be shared across various platforms, expanding its reach far beyond your initial audience. By attracting links from authoritative websites within your industry, infographics can significantly boost your website's search engine rankings. These authoritative links act as endorsements, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. In return, your website's visibility increases, making it more likely to appear higher in search engine results. But wait, the benefits don't end there. When people share and link to your infographic, it has the potential to generate referral traffic. Referral traffic refers to the visitors who are directed to your website through these shared links. As this new influx of visitors explore your website, they'll become acquainted with your brand, your products, and your services. And who knows, they might even become your next loyal customers or clients. To summarize, infographics are not only visually appealing and informative, but also serve as a catalyst for growth. By creating captivating infographics, you can increase your chances of having them shared and linked to by other websites, expanding your reach and driving referral traffic. These factors combined can boost your website's search engine rankings, enhance its visibility, and potentially lead to new customers or clients. Are you looking for engaging infographics for your business? Check out HOTH Infographics by clicking the link below.